represent for Mr. Indemand TV. You know, a real TV. Yes, a straight TV. It's not a lean TV. Yeah, it a go bust the place big. Me actually said that I'm out.
A wildlife, out here to the school, giving away to the school, the teacher. Follow me on the journey. Let's go. Let's go. It's me, wildlife. We're giving back to the school, giving back to the teacher. You know what I say? Giving back to the kids. We're going to give them something, that we can't forget them. Them feed the brains with knowledge. They make me who I am. So I have to give back. This is what I say. Let's follow it. We at the elementary school. Look, we're at the school. We're giving back. A wildlife. See how things there? A wildlife up top.
Brand new class bar foot. Boom, class.
Up top, sir.
There, yeah.
Definitely. We're out here giving back to it, so. I want you to take the picture. Look. See there? In Florida, we're giving back to the school. See there? See there? Highlander Elementary School, we're giving back. Giving the teachers something. We make it someone day today. Wildlife. I can give the police. I want to give the fire station. So I brought your shoes. I can give any one of the workers. Anybody wants to take it, I brought you guys tickets. Blouse. And a bag for a student that needed the most. So that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see just in her office now. 1 moment.
Appreciate it for educating us. Thank you very much. Have a good day. All right, thank you very much. Up top is it.
That's it there.
We just give it to the school, see there? Islander school, we just give back. You see what I say, so? We are do one of the favorite Jamaican artists now do. And this is not donation money, this is our money. A wildlife.
Free money.
Top. Cut out the lion. A wildlife, out here to the school, giving away to the school, the teacher. Follow me on the journey. Let's go. Let's go. It's me, wildlife. We're giving back to the school, giving back to the teacher. You know what I say? Giving back to the kids. We're going to give them something, that we can't forget them. Them feed the brains with knowledge. They make me who I am. So I have to give back. This is what I say. Let's follow it. We're at the elementary school. Look, we're at the school. We're giving back. A wildlife. See how things there? A wildlife up top.
Brand new class bar foot. Boom, class.
Up top, sir.
There, yeah.
Definitely. We're out here giving back to it, so. I want you to take the picture. Look. See there? In Florida, we're giving back to the school. See there? See there? Highlander Elementary School, we're giving back. Giving the teachers something. We make it someone day today. Wildlife. Follow me on Twittergram, Facebook, everything. Follow everybody else, man. Wildlife, see there? Making somebody day today. Let's go.